Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove the joystick from this wheelchair for traveling purpose. First thing you need to do is loosen this screw up here. Then unlock this joint by simply loosening it. Then deattach it and take out the joystick for traveling purpose. Now I will show you how to install it back. Simply slide it into the armrest, then lock it in back. To lock it in, simply match these two arrows together like this, and then insert it, and then lock this. At last, tighten the screw.